Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop. Welcome to the Custom Diecast Renegades and Hoodlums Custom Truck Challenge presented by Gunslinger Garage. There are a lot of prize packages this time around. Gunslinger Garage, free car, El Camino, first place, second and third, Amazon gift cards. William Mr. K7 Robinson giving away a K10. Howard from Big Paw Garage is giving away some trophies and a bag of 3D printed parts to the top three. Kristen Stanaland is giving away some mint inbox Hot Wheels, first place, second place, and he's also giving away a Hot Wheels car to the third place winner. Kenny Terry from Waterslide Decals is giving away a $20 gift voucher for decals for first, second, and third place. We have a custom diorama by Chris Smith. This thing is unbelievable. Also have a first place prize custom monster truck from Joe Patton. We have a Real Riders Bone Shaker donated by somebody I cannot remember because my computer crashed. Donated by Dustin Winsell. We have first and second place Bone Shakers Baja version. And the winner gets every single entry. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the final round of the Custom Truck Challenge, which features the Snake Plissken Speed Shop truck versus the Redemption rig. And don't forget, we have voting to figure out who's going to be in third place as well, so there are two to vote on this time. Number 7, the Snake Plissken Speed Shop. 62 custom Chevy, green and white Createx paint with red pinstripes, Real Riders from Treads Hobby, custom grill, styrene bed cover, and the engines from a tuned 68 Mustang by Hot Wheels. Redemption. It's a 62 Chevy truck, custom with the bed cut off, rear hand built, matching trailer, carrying a Chevy Love as a cargo, finished in an orange and gunmetal paint job and decals for that race day feel. Number 22, the El Nomino. 55 Nomad with the top cut off, filled in sunroof, scoop removed, detailed interior, speakers and amplifier, finished truck bed, widened wheel tubs, handmade NOS bottle, removable flush mount aluminum bed cover, axle tubes made with recycled Bic lighter parts, custom rear window, color is intense blue pearl by Duplicolor. Number 26, A100 Dodge Punk. Dodge pickup truck with the steampunk theme, lots of brass, copper, orange, silver, Real Riders. This thing is decked out to the max. Alright, so how to vote. All entrants are anonymous. Nobody's supposed to know who built what. To vote, comment below. Enter the numbers of your choices. For example, 1, 2, 3. The numbers that you enter all count. So please make sure you vote on each single competition. Don't just put one number down because you think he's going to win, the whole thing. So those will be discounted. So please make sure to vote in each and every single competition. Or number 7 or number 11. Number 22 or number 26. So remember, guys, you got 24 hours of voting. Voting ends 3/3 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I want to thank everybody, not only who entered, but those who gave prizes, and each and every one of you who voted. It means a lot to me, and it means a lot to these guys and girls who put a ton of work into every single one of these. All 26 entrants came out amazing. It sucks that only one can win it all, and then a second and third place. To me, they're all winners, but I really appreciate everybody voting. This is the last round, so let's make it count. It's going to be tough, and it's going to be very close. So once again, thank you guys very much, and I'll catch you on the next one.